Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today I am here in an abandoned sanatorium in New York. Now I wasn't actually going to go in this place, but I, being dumb, crashed my drone in here. So I figured that risking a trespassing charge was better than the price of a drone. It's actually significantly cheaper. So we are just in here, just showing you this section, which is considered the most beautiful section of this place, by the way, as you can probably tell. And we're just looking for my drone, and here it is. Oh. I mean, it's not too broken from falling from all the way up there. So that is all really I came here to do. But before I go, since I am already here, let me show you just this one part real quick. So looks like a kitchen area back there, more hallways. I mean, this place is absolutely massive. As long as the drone footage has survived, you'll be able to see the outside of it, hint, hint. But this is like a high-risk location that is constantly patrolled. But like I said, the cost of a drone is significantly more than a trespassing charge. That is not advice. That is just my way of thinking. So, ooh, there's a nice cold breeze coming through. So I know that this was a quick look into this abandoned sanatorium in New York. I'm sorry I can't show off the whole thing. Like I said, very heavily patrolled, and I'm actually currently on my way to Ontario, and I am late. So that is all for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more videos in the future, and I'll see you guys next time.